Alright, hello Professor Posey. This is my newspaper video regarding information processing. And we'll go ahead and get started with some of these terms. The first one is attention. It's basically the information being presented captivating to the reader. Is it important? Is it entertaining? Is it something that's captivating somebody's attention that's worth to read? The next one is perception. What is the perception? What is the point of view that the reader is having towards the information? Are they understanding what the author is trying to write? Are they agreeing or disagreeing? Short-term memory was the information engaging the reader. Is it something that is worth remembering? Is it something that's going to be life-changing? Is it something that's going to possibly change the future? Something to honestly think about? Or is it just somebody's opinion that can be brushed aside? The next one is input data. The information is received, understood, and then patterns of behavior is basically kind of like the process information takes. Somebody reads it, somebody processes it, understands it. What is the reaction that somebody has towards it? To the next one is selective attention. It's basically the understanding of what makes us attend one thing rather than another. What makes something so compelling for us to attend one thing that makes us ignore another. Input process is basically the analysis of stimuli. This analysis of the stimuli. What stimulus is being analyzed? What are the terms being used in the reading? What are the stories being presented? Are they personal stories? Are they scientific? What's basically being said? The storage process is what the stimuli does to the brain and how the brain manipulates it. It's basically how the brain receives it and what the brain does to understand it. And the output process is basically the response to the stimuli, how somebody responds to the information or to the stimulus. Pretty simple terms. And on to the final four. Serial processing is one process finished before the next starts. It's basically kind of like the order of the process. One cannot begin until one is finished. Parallel processing is basically multiple processes being started all at once and can be perceived all together. The theory of multiple intelligences, we talked about it before, is basically multiple intelligences in the world. It's a theory that people cannot harbor all the intelligences, so naturally we are smart with some where we lack in others, such as if somebody is smart in math, they may not be able to understand very well when it comes to reading or comprehension, and vice versa. And 8 different intelligences is basically the 8 different intelligences that are seen in the world: musical, rhythmic, and harmonic, visual, verbal, logical, bodily, kinesthetic, interpersonal, intrapersonal, and naturalistic. And that's basically kind of like looking at people's personalities, people's preferences, and how they like to learn, and what makes somebody learn the best. That concludes the information processing newspaper. It's not super flashy, but I believe it gets all the information done. That'll be all. Thank you.